Birmingham City.
Right, good pace on it.
Struggling to deal with a lofted ball over the top. Digs out across, Roberts was rising. Clark, one-on-one! And he won't miss those. Blazes a big opening over the crossbar that causes all sorts of problems for Blues. Blues sensing the tide turning. James. Roberts this time. Shots for hands. Waved away. Roberts will take